Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send automated SMS on contact form 7 submission. So I am an owner of a real estate agency and to receive new inquiries I have created a form using contact form 7. So now here in this case I want whenever I receive a new form submission then automatically an automated SMS should be sent to my lead using an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So here to build this connection I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send automated SMS on contact form 7 submission. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a real estate agency and I use contact form 7 on my website to collect inquiries from potential buyers. So here on my screen you can see my form which I have created for my real estate agency, and through this form I am receiving new inquiries. So now to keep my leads informed and engaged, I want to send automated SMS messages to them as soon as they submit their details. So for example, when someone shows interest in a property, I want to automatically send them a text confirming that I received their inquiry and provide some initial information about the next steps. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my contact form 7 with the SMS sending application that is named as Twilio. And here building these connections helps me to stay connected with potential clients, ensures they feel acknowledged right away and makes the whole process smoother for both me and the customer. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated SMS on contact form 7 submission. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in this trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as contact form 7. So contact form 7 is a popular WordPress plugin that allows you to create and manage contact forms on your website easily. It's like having a simple tool to add forms where visitors can get in touch with you. People use contact form 7 because it's user-friendly, customizable and integrates well with WordPress. It helps businesses and website owners collect messages, feedbacks or inquiries from their visitors without needing any coding skills. Whether you need a basic contact form or something more complex, Contact Form 7 makes it easy to set up and manage forms on your website. So here in my Contact Form 7 trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission. so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my contact form 7, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission on my contact form 7, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And here you can see after selecting my trigger event, here I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below. Firstly, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here, as I've already told you, that contact form 7 is a plugin of WordPress. So here I've already logged in my WordPress account, and here I've already installed the contact form 7 plugin in my WordPress account. And now here under contacts form, you can see all the forms which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, I'm going to use the form which is named as Real Estate CF7, and here I'm going to click on this edit button given over here. And now here under this edit contact form, I'm going to scroll it little down, and here you can see my field which I have created with the name, email, phone number, city and the types of apartment. So now I'm going to click on this webhook option given over here to set up my webhook inside contact form 7. And by clicking on this, it will take you to the webhook window, and here you can see under webhook window, it is asking us to enter the webhook URL. So here before entering this webhook URL, here I'm going to tick on this checkbox given over here which says integrate send to webhook. So here by selecting this particular integrate, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the response is going to be sent to our webhook URL. So here under this webhook URL field, we are going to enter the webhook URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and now here after entering this webhook URL, here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And by clicking on the save option, we are going to click on the save again. And with this, we have successfully built a connection between our contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to do a test submission in our contact form 7. So for that, let me take you back to my form. So this is my form, and here I'm going to enter a dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user. Here I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And here for the city, I'm going to select the city from this drop down option where we provide the service, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune and Jaipur. So here I'm going to select my city as Pune, and here for the types of apartment, I'm going to select the apartment as 3 BHK. And now here after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see it says thank you for your message, it has been sent. That means here we have successfully made a form submission. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the name as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, city as Pune and apartment as 3 BHK. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to action step, and now I want to send an automated SMS to my lead which I have received through contact form 7. So here to send an automated SMS, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So Twilio is a cloud communication platform that allows businesses to easily send and receive messages, make phone calls and handle other communication tasks through their applications. Think of it as the behind the scenes magic that enables apps to connect with people through text, calls and more. People use Twilio because it simplifies adding communication features to their apps without needing complex infrastructure. So here in my Twilio action step, I'm going to select my action event as send SMS message, so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our contact form 7, then automatically an automated SMS is going to be sent to our lead through an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. And now here to connect my Twilio with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for an account SID and the authorization token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Twilio account. And here on my screen, you can see my Twilio's console window. So here I'm going to scroll it little down. And here under account info, you can see we have received the account SID, authorization token and my Twilio phone number. So now I'm going to copy this account SID and authorization token and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the body of the SMS. So here in this body of the SMS field, I need to enter the body of the SMS which I want to send to my lead on a new form submission. So here I'm going to enter the body of the SMS as, "Hi lead's name, thanks for your interest in our properties. We have noted that you are looking for a number BHK in city. I'll get in touch with you soon to provide more details and assist with your search. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Looking forward to helping you find your new home." So here you can see I have used variable in the place of lead's name and the number of BHK and the city over here. So now here I'm going to remove these variables and place the values over here. But here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our contact form 7, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. Here for the number of BHK, I'm going to map the number of BHK that we have received in our response. So here you can see our lead's preference, that is 3 BHK. And here for the city, we are going to map the city our lead has selected. So here you can see the city, that is Pune. And now here, after mapping all the details, we have successfully entered the body of the SMS over here. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking us to enter the sender number. So here in the instruction it says the approved sending number in your Twilio account. That means here in this field we need to enter a Twilio phone number that we have received in our Twilio account. So here to get our Twilio phone number, let me take you back to my Twilio account. So here I'm going to copy my Twilio phone number, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the sender number. So now here, after entering the sender number, here it is asking me for a recipient number. So here in this recipient number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this SMS. So again here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a SMS on my phone. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a SMS on my phone number. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. And here you can see the screenshot of the SMS which I have received, which says, "Send from your Twilio trial account. Hi dummy user, thanks for your interest in our properties. We have noted that you are looking for a 3 BHK in Pune. I'll get in touch with you soon to provide more details and assist with your search. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Looking forward to helping you find your new home." So here you can see that my account has a statement which says, "Send from your Twilio trial account." So here my SMS contains this statement because here I am using a trial account. But if you are using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statements. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we are going to make a new form submission in our contact form 7. And for that, let me take you back to my form. So here I'm going to refresh my window. And now here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as test lead. Here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can receive a SMS over here. And then here I'm going to enter the city as Kolkata. And here for the types of apartment, I'm going to select 2 BHK. And now here, after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says, "Thank you for your message. It has been sent." That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. And here you can see the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone, which says, "Send from your Twilio trial account. Hi test lead, thanks for your interest in our properties. We have noted that you are looking for a 2 BHK in Kolkata. I'll get in touch with you soon to provide more details and assist with your search. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Looking forward to helping you find your new home." And here you can see we have successfully replaced the name over here and the preference as 2 BHK and the city as Kolkata. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as contact form 7 and our action as Twilio. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our contact form 7, then automatically an automated SMS is going to be sent to our lead through an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.